Hello friends, here I am back with a new plugin which is to be called as Promote Products on Cart for WooCommerce. Here you can see the name of the plugin, Promote Products on the Cart for WooCommerce. Basically this is the extension for WooCommerce plugin, and we can say add-on also. This is the add-on plugin we have built. So the key feature of this plugin is to promote the products on the cart page of the WooCommerce site. In any WooCommerce site you can use this plugin or extension. So main thing I would like to clear with you is the WooCommerce plugin must be activated and installed in your site before using this promote products on the cart for WooCommerce plugin. So here after activation the plugin, here we can see the settings page and the WooCommerce menu also show us the setting of this plugin page. I'm going to show you the settings and feature of the plugin. Here are the general settings for promote feature on the cart page. Here administrator can choose the category, any category from the WooCommerce categories here are listed. Here administrator can add the title also, which will show to the cart page of the WooCommerce. Here are the number field for show how many products you want to show at the cart page. Here you can enter any integer positive. This is the additional CSS box, means on the cart page or any on the front side, administrator would like to change any CSS and need to maintain any CSS according to theme, they can add here the code of the style sheet and without adding the style tag. Here I am saving the features which I have changed over here. Main benefit of this plugin is to increase the sale of the administrator's website. Here is the front end side, and you can see this box as a promoted products. Administrator can also create any category named promotion or like any category and choose from here to show that category's product. Here I am changing the 6 number. So end user will automatically show these products on the cart page when he or she going to check out. So it may increase the sale of the, definitely it may increase the sale of the site. From here they can directly add a product, Woo album 1. So without refreshing the page it will add into your cart. Single one I am adding. Here it is in the cart, and all we can check the detail page also from here by clicking this item. This title will be changed by or managed by the administrator. Here is the detail page of the product. I would like to say end user can check detail page also from here. And then it may go to the checkout page. I hope you like this functionality, friends. I hope you like this plugin. Thank you for watching.